Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. On this channel, stories become your teacher. We use the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English, not translate. So relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Today's story is called I Got Lost in Tokyo. You will practice real phrases for airports, train lines, station exits, asking for help, buying tickets, using an IC card, finding a police box, and reading signs. Are you ready? Let's begin. The arrival.
My name is Anna. I landed at Haneda Airport at noon. I followed the arrivals signs. Immigration checked my passport. Purpose of visit: tourism, a quiet stamp on the page. Welcome to Japan, the officer said. My trip started well.
First tasks.
I found the baggage carousel. My suitcase had a blue ribbon. I lifted it onto a cart. I bought a tourist SIM card. Data maps and messages worked. I exchanged a little cash. I studied the train options: monorail or Kikyu line.
Choosing the route.
I opened the airport map. I saw Tokyo monorail to Homematsucho. I saw Kikyu to Shinagawa. Both looked easy and fast. I asked the counter staff, which is better for Shinjuku, Kikyu to Shinagawa, then Junior. She said, I bought an IC card.
IC card basics.
The card was called Suica. I added 3,000 yen to start. Tap in at the ticket gate. Tap out at your station. No need to calculate fares. The gate beeped green. I walked down to the platform. Trains came every few minutes.
Smooth transfer. Almost.
I reached Shinagawa Station. Crowds flowed like a river. I followed the signs to the junior lines. Green for the Yamanote line. Yellow for Sobu Rapid. Blue for Yokosuka. I chose the Yamanote line toward Shinjuku. Doors opened. People moved quickly.
The curve of the line.
The train glided around Tokyo. I watched the station boards. Shimbashi, Yurakucho, Tokyo, Kanda, Akihabara, Okachimachi, Wenonipori, Nishinipori, Kamagomsu Gammo, Atsuka, Ikabukuro, Majiro, Takada, Nobaba. Next stop, Shinjuku.
The giant station.
Shinjuku Station was huge. I followed the west exit sign. Then another sign said, South exit. Another said, New South Gate. Exits multiplied like branches. I checked my hotel address. West exit, 5 minutes on foot. I took the wrong corridor.
The moment I knew.
The corridor ended in shops. I looked for an outside door. I stepped into a different exit. Skyscrapers, but not the right ones. My hotel landmark was missing. My map spun on the screen. GPS lost the signal inside the tunnels. I breathed in and slowed down.
Ask early, ask simply.
I walked back into the station. I found the station information desk. "Excuse me, I'm lost," I said. "West exit for this hotel." I showed the map on my phone. The staff circled a route. "Go down 1 level, turn left. Follow the signs to West exit."
Following the signs.
I looked up at the boards. White letters on green panels. Junior lines and West exit. Arrows pointed like steady hands. I walked past ticket machines. I passed coin lockers and kiosks. I kept the exit color in mind. Green for Junior, blue for Metro.
A small detour.
A crowd blocked my path. I turned into a side tunnel. I saw the Metro Marunouchi line. That was not my plan. Another sign said Odo line. My phone signal dropped again. I took 3 deep breaths. I went back to the main hall.
The Koban.
Outside the gate, I saw a Koban, a small police box near the exit. 2 officers stood inside. "Excuse me, could you help me?" I pointed to my hotel on the map. They drew a simple sketch. West exit straight, then right. Look for the bus terminal.
Landmarks, not just names.
I searched for landmarks first. Bus terminal on the right. A department store on the left. A tall clock above the street. The sketch matched the view. My confidence returned slowly. I crossed one wide road. I kept the station behind me.
Wrong turn, right attitude.
I turned left too early. The street was too quiet. No hotel sign in sight. I checked building numbers. They climbed in the wrong direction. A shop owner noticed me. "Hotel?" he asked, smiling. He pointed me 1 block back.
The check-in.
I found the hotel logo. My shoulders finally relaxed. "Reservation for Anna," I said. The clerk photocopied my passport. "Non-smoking room, 9th floor Wi-Fi password" on the card. "Breakfast from 7 to 10. I thanked him in a calm voice.
Night walk and reset.
I took a short night walk. Neon lights painted the street. I practiced a new habit. Read the station exit maps first. Take a photo of the diagram. Note the exit letter and color. List to nearby landmarks. Prepare before moving again.
Lost again, learn again.
The next day I tried Shibuya. The Hachiko exit was crowded. I mixed up Hachiko and Miyamasutsuka. I walked the wrong way twice. I stopped, faced the station, and reset. Station behind me, crossing ahead. I matched the scramble on my map. My path corrected itself.
Tools that help.
I saved offline maps in advance. I charged a small battery pack. I learned to ask early. Which exit for this address? I used short, clear sentences. I pointed and confirmed twice. So gate, exit, and platform were clear. Confusion shrank each hour.
The return to Haneda.
Departure day came quickly. I backtracked my notes to Shinagawa. Kikyu line back to the airport. I kept buffer time for transfers. At security, I emptied my pockets. Liquids stayed under the limit. Gate numbers matched my screen. No more rush. No more stress.
What getting lost taught me.
Tokyo is big, but patient. Signs are many, but helpful. People are busy, yet kind. Landmarks guide better than numbers. Short questions unlock long journeys. Getting lost trained my calm. Step by step, I learned the city. Step by step, my English grew.
Great job. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. I got lost in Tokyo, showed real phrases for airports, trains, exits, police boxers, asking directions, and resetting when you're confused. Getting lost is not a failure, it's training for calm, courage, and clear communication. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, one page, one story, one step, your English will grow. Keep practicing every day and you will feel the change. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.